How to verify your passport on the Ryanair app. First, open the Ryanair app and log into your account. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Tap on My Bookings or start the check-in process. If your route requires verification, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Tap Verify Now and select Password as your ID type. The app will guide you through the steps. Follow the on-screen instructions. Use your phone camera to scan the photo page of your passport. Make sure it's clear, well lit, and fully visible in the frame. Next, you may be asked to take a selfie or a short live head movement video to confirm your identity. Just follow the app's prompt. Once submitted, Ryanair will verify your ID. This usually takes just a few minutes to a few hours. And that's it!